In today's video, I'm actually showing you how you can start to earn passive income by using this one software. I'm going to show you proof that this is actually profitable, and I'm also going to show you the websites that I'm using in order to actually make this profitable. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So I have been getting asked a lot of questions. Is Faucet Collector profitable? Is this piece of software right here profitable? Well, I'm going to show you that it is in today's video, and I'm also going to show you the reasons why and how hard it is to actually know if it is or not. So the first off is Bitcoin is already at $24,000, I believe, or 23,000. So let's check that real quick. Let me go to BitMEX and so I can show you that the price of Bitcoin is right now. So you can see that Bitcoin is already at $23,000 right there, guys. So we're going to see if Faucet Collector is profitable or not. So what Faucet Collector is pretty much a faucet bot that actually claims the faucets for you. It has a ton of websites that you can use, and these are all scripts. So you can come in here and you can see all of the websites that are used inside of this one piece of software that's going to be running 24 hours a day on your device. So I'm going to show you that how much it is, which is extremely cheap price, guys. So it's going to be around $12 a year, not even close to like $12 a month, $20 a month. Look at this price right there. How insane is that? I'm going to be leaving the links to this down below so you guys can get started. But on top of that, you're going to need to invest a little bit more money inside of the CAPTCHA services. So what I use is image typers and 2 CAPTCHAs. So let me type in image typers really quick and show you inside of my account. I also have a video showing you how to set all of this up. I cannot scroll up any bit because it's going to show you my API keys. So as you can see right here, guys, this is image typers. You're going to need to invest at least $10, but don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you that this is profitable. You're going to need to invest at least $10 inside of this image typers and connect it to your Faucet Collector account inside of the CAPTCHA tab right here. So if you click on this, you can see the information right here, guys. So you have image typers, and you can just click on test to show, and I'm already up to 75 cents left on this actual account. And I'm also using 2 CAPTCHA for this service. So as you can see, I'm in 2 CAPTCHAs tab. I'll have $3 inside of this one, guys, and this is going to be running 24 hours a day. I've been using this same software for about 4 years now, or 3 years, so just around that time. So I've been using image typers for that and 2 CAPTCHA. So I'm going to be leaving the links down below for all 3 of these sites that I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So now let's get to the good part. Is Faucet Collector profitable? So let's go back to CoinPot real quick, because all the faucets that I've been running inside of Faucet Collector is CoinPot. So you can see Bitfund is there, Bonus Bitcoin, Free Bitcoin, Moon Cash, Moon Doge, Moon Litecoin, Moon Bitcoin, CoinApply. Recently just added CoinApply inside of this, and Btc Maker and Mellow Ads. So I have all of these running. The less you have, in a way, the better, because those CAPTCHAs get split, so that $10 get in between. It's $20, $10 in 2 CAPTCHAs, and $10 in image typers, and $10 in 2 CAPTCHAs, and that's going to be split in between all of these. So the more you have, the less crypto you earn on each site, but the less faucets you run, the more crypto you earn from those certain faucets. So if I'm only running 2 faucets, let's say it's going to be $10 in this one, and CAPTCHAs, and $10 in this one. So I'm going to be running a lot of crypto inside of these accounts. I'm actually missing one real quick. So there it is, Free Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that this is profitable. It says waiting 17 minutes before continuing, so it just recently claimed for me. So as you can see, success right there. You can see my balance inside of CoinPot. So let's check to see if that is correct. And you can see that back here, so 0.000287, 0.0029. Ooh, so it gave me that little update. So let me refresh the page to see if it updates. If it doesn't, then it's, you know, it's just around there. So there it is, it updated. So now I'm going to show you that this is profitable, and the way I'm going to do that is actually, what I'm trying to do now is actually claim as much CoinPot tokens as I can, so I can actually earn daily interest on this once I reach 100,000 tokens. And this is all being done passively and from this software itself, guys. So I claimed all of this tokens right here from just that one software. So if we go over here to convert tokens into Bitcoin, so I can see how much it is. So let's go over here real quick, and let's go on maximum, and let's delete that number 3 really quick. And you can see I have about 0.0038 Bitcoin. So let's copy that number real quick and go to the Google. So I'm going to type in BTC to USD, BTC 2 USD. So as you can see, that right there is already $10 almost, or $9, and that is supporting the CAPTCHA service. So that's already one CAPTCHA service down. So I've been running this only on CoinPot, Faucet Free Bitcoin, and let me see another one. So Free Bitcoin and also Btc Maker. So Btc Maker, let me show you what I'm doing over there at Btc Maker at the moment. So let me put that picture over here real quick, and you can see that this is Btc Maker, and I'm just claiming this passively, guys. So right now I can't show you that this is profitable because I'm actually using my mining in order to actually gain these levels up quicker, and that is how I'm doing it. So watch, it might actually claim pretty soon for Btc Maker. So let me see if it hasn't done it already. So Btc Maker, let's look for it real quick. Nope, it hasn't. So pretty soon it's actually going to use Btc Maker in a minute, and it's going to claim this CAPTCHA for me, and I'm also going to get this 150 Bitcoin. So let's do the math on that really quick. So let's go to calculator. So if this script is going to be running 24 hours a day, let's do the math. So 150 times 24, because this claims every hour. So let's go to equals 3,600 tokens or satoshis. So in Bitcoin right there. So let's go check and see how much that is. So let's delete these numbers right here. So that's 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there's 8 digits in Bitcoin, and let's go to 3,600. So we're gonna delete 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3,600 right there, and then we're just gonna click on this right here, guys. So that's already almost $1 a day. So from doing that, guys, that's already my $10 right there. I've even finished. I still have Faucet or Free Bitcoin to go, so it's gonna claim pretty soon. Let me see where it's at. So it's loading up the page of Moon Dogecoin. I just got a success on Moon Doge right there. So it's gonna close Moon Cash, closing Moon Cash, and closing browser. So it's just going to be closing all of these because it's already claimed them right there. So I should be getting more Dogecoin inside of my CoinPot account right now. So as you can see, that little green that just vanished really quick, that is the transaction that just occurred. So now let's go back real quick. Let me delete this, and you can see that my account has just grown just a tiny bit. You can see it right here. 3 CoinPot tokens for Moon Doge Faucet claim, 3 CoinPot tokens for Moon Cash Faucet claim, Moon Cash claim, Moon Doge claim, 3 tokens for Moonlight. So you can see it's just growing slow and steady, guys. So now let's go on to the last website really quick so I can show you that this is profitable. Go. So I recently deposited around 0.002 Bitcoin inside of this account, and I'm already up to 2.2007, almost 8 Bitcoin right there, guys. So let's search that up really quick. BTC to USD. So this is claiming every hour as well. $65 inside of this account right now, guys, for doing absolutely nothing and having the actual faucet collector claim for me. So this is going to be claiming that for me. I recently just started up this faucet collector again. I refresh it like once a month or 2 times a month, around there, just so I can get a refresh and start all over again. So I'm pretty sure in a bit it's going to actually claim the free Bitcoin and also the Btc Maker script and even Mellow Ads. Let's go check out Mellow Ads to see what's inside of my account. So I'm inside of the faucet right here, guys, inside of Mellow Ads, and let's see how much I've actually earned inside of this account. I haven't even been on here for a long time, so I'm not even sure where I can check this out. So let's go look and see if I can find out how much I have inside of my account. So let's go to account details and see if it's inside of there. It all depends on what's in my balance. So I have 0.0028 Bitcoin inside of my balance. So that's around $4, I would say. So let's go over here to Google BTC to USD right there. So it's $36 right there, guys, inside of Mellow Ads for advertisements on referrals, and that's all done through Faucet Collector. Now I'm gonna actually put up advertisements actually pretty much today for one of these websites so I can earn even more crypto from doing this method, guys. So this is going to be just a video showing you that this is profitable. If you want to get started on learning how to actually set all of this up, I'm going to leave the link down below to that video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.